What's up, guys? It's Braylon here. We are gonna take a drive up and down the road from the truck. For all you guys saying that it can't, I'm gonna prove you're right. That it can. Gauges are pretty good.
Dine in or outside for lunch. Dinner or savory appetizers from our tempting menu. Two is better than one. Jack's Golf Casino. 69th and Western.
So for all you all saying that it can't do it, bullshit, it can do. Sorry for my language. Yeah, she made it. Just fine. Gauges are looking pretty good. So yeah, saying that it can make it about, up and down the road. I think mission is successful. And so, yep. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.